Welcome to an episode of Molly already has enough to do, but we're just gonna add something on top of everything else. Tonight, I didn't want to go to the grocery store, but I need to make pasta and we're out of pasta, so we're just gonna make pasta at home. Look how Italian I am, guys. Be proud. All right, let's do the thing.
Share some of the rewards with them too? Yeah, they earned it. Yeah, break a leg.
Oh, look at that. Jules, look. Yep, keep going. Good job. Good job. Keep going.
What just happened? We thought it was super.
Nothing, really.
You don't need spices? Where's